Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated Leica M12. A perfect fusion of classic Leica craftsmanship and cutting-edge innovation. This camera is set to redefine the photography landscape with its exceptional image quality and timeless design. Whether you are a seasoned Leica enthusiast or a newcomer, stay tuned as we explore what makes the M12 a game-changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews and photography insights. Introduction to the Leica M12. Leica's M series is renowned for its minimalist design, manual controls, and iconic rangefinder system, appealing to photographers who appreciate a more deliberate and tactile shooting experience. The Leica M11 made waves with its 60MP sensor, improved battery life, and internal storage, all while maintaining the essence of the classic M series. Now, rumors and leaks suggest that the Leica M12 will take these advancements to the next level, combining modern features with the heritage of precision engineering. Leica faces the challenge of incorporating state-of-the-art technology while staying true to the simplicity and charm that defines the M series experience. Next-gen sensor and resolution upgrades. One of the most exciting speculations about the Leica M12 is its potential to feature a new 75MP full-frame BSI sensor. This would mark a significant upgrade from the M11 60MP sensor, allowing for greater detail retention, better cropping flexibility, and improved low-light performance. The introduction of BSI sensor technology would enhance light sensitivity, resulting in cleaner images at high ISO settings. Leica might also refine its pixel binning technology, enabling photographers to switch between ultra-high resolution modes and lower resolution options for increased versatility. The combination of an upgraded sensor and improved pixel processing could elevate Leica's signature color science and dynamic range, further distinguishing the M12 as a powerhouse in digital photography. Improved image processing and noise reduction. Rumors suggest the Leica M12 will be powered by the next-gen Maestro 4 processor, promising faster image processing, enhanced noise reduction, and superior color accuracy. The processor is expected to optimize tonal gradation, ensuring smooth transitions between colors and preserving fine details, even in extreme lighting conditions. Enhanced noise reduction algorithms could enable high-quality images at elevated ISO settings, making the M12 a go-to option for low-light photography. Expanded ISO range and dynamic range. The Leica M11 offered an ISO range from 64 to 50,000, but the M12 is rumored to push the limits further, possibly extending to ISO 100,000 while maintaining excellent noise control. This enhancement would make it even more versatile in challenging lighting environments. A wider dynamic range would allow photographers to capture more details in highlights and shadows, making the M12 ideal for high-contrast scenes. Additionally, Leica's monochrome rendering capabilities could see improvements, further catering to black and white photography enthusiasts who seek impeccable tonal depth and richness. Enhanced battery life and power management. Battery life has been a crucial focus for Leica, and the M12 is expected to feature a more efficient power management system. The rumored BPS CL7 battery could boost shooting time by 25 to 30% compared to the M11, allowing photographers to capture more moments on a single charge. The Maestro 4 processor's improved energy efficiency would further optimize performance. Leica is also rumored to introduce USB-C charging and power delivery support, allowing users to recharge the camera with standard USB-C power banks. This addition would be a game-changer for professionals on the go, making field photography more convenient. Breakthrough video capabilities. 8K possibilities. While the Leica M series has traditionally focused on still photography, the M12 might introduce major improvements in video recording. Leaks suggest that it could offer 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. If true, this would position the M12 as a hybrid camera, catering to both photographers and videographers. Leica is also expected to enhance heat dissipation and sensor readout speed, ensuring smooth and reliable video performance. A new cinema mode with customizable LUTs and color profiles could allow videographers to fully leverage Leica's exceptional color science, bringing a cinematic feel to their footage. Connectivity and smart features. The Leica M12 is likely to feature enhanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and improved Leica Photos app integration. These upgrades would streamline wireless image transfers, making file sharing and remote control more efficient. Additional dual memory card slots and support for CF Express Type B cards could significantly improve storage and workflow for professionals. A newly designed electronic viewfinder or an optional hybrid OVF/EVF system could also be in the works, giving photographers more flexibility when composing shots. Design and ergonomics. The Leica M12 is expected to retain the classic rangefinder design, with refinements to ergonomics and durability. Possible upgrades include a more weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it more resistant to harsh conditions. The redesigned grip might improve handling, especially when using larger lenses. Price and release date. While Leica has yet to confirm an official release date, speculations point to a Q4 2025 launch, with a price tag expected to exceed $9,000. Given Leica's history of premium pricing, this wouldn't be surprising, considering the cutting-edge features rumored for the M12. Final thoughts. A game changer in photography? The Leica M12 has the potential to be one of the most revolutionary releases in Leica's history, blending advanced imaging technology with classic rangefinder charm. With an upgraded sensor, expanded ISO range, improved battery life, hybrid video capabilities, and enhanced connectivity, the M12 could become the ultimate tool for professional photographers and videographers alike.